Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be filming this highly requested turban style. I'm actually going to show you 3 versions of this style that I do, just because it's kind of the same thing, if that makes sense. You just change a few things around. This video was so highly requested, by the way. Like, people keep asking me how I do this style. I have filmed some things, well actually I have filmed it in the past, but it's quite an old video. Also, I used a printed scarf last time and I think that throws people off a little bit, so I thought let me do it with a plain scarf, and I'm gonna basically show you how I did it. So if you want to see how I created this style, then keep on watching. I like to start off my scarf like this, very nice and simple. I've got a bunny and at the back, which is a tie one, and it's actually got a bit of volume on there already. Because I have super short hair, I like to use these. Then I've got a very small thin scarf that I like to wrap around here, just so that it doesn't look bumpy or anything when I have my actual scarf on, which is this. So what I like to do is grab my scarf, and I love this scarf is absolutely gorgeous. I will leave it down below of where I got it from. I have a pretty short longish side. Maybe I'll make it a little bit shorter than that, like this. And then what I do is right here I create a V point. Every single time it looks different, because every single time I do it differently depending on how I feel, whether I want it more central, whether I want it more to the side, just depending on how I feel. Today we're going to have it pretty central. Then I flip these two over like this, so I have one pretty short side and one super long side. Then I grab this, make sure that the 2 edges that meet like that are on the inside bit, because it's just easier to work that way. Then I get my scarf and I just flip it over like this. Now you can just flip it over and have it like this. I like to be a little bit extra, and I like to create some more folds and like V's, if that makes sense. And then I just tie it like so, and you are done and ready. No pins needed, nothing. This is literally my go-to scarf style, and then you can fix it up and around, do what you like with it, and you are done like this. Super easy and simple. Now I'm going to show you another way that I do this scarf, because I still have a lot of people asking me. So starting off with the same thing, which is here, I just get this short bit, tuck in all the shorter bits inside so it's nice and even. Then I bring it across, and you can pin it if you want. So I'm going to pin that in just for the video. I don't ever usually pin it in, just because the way I do it, like, it stays in place, it doesn't move around. Then if you've got this bit, just tuck that in, but it's okay, you can fix that later. Now I grab my scarf like this, and then I just flip that over again. It's literally the exact same thing as the last one. And then as you can see, when you're bringing this over, it automatically folds there itself, and then you can create more or less folds, it's up to you. So I want more folds. I like to have quite a lot of folds in my scarves, so I will have that, have a bunch of folds like that, then bring it over like this while I'm creating that extra V there. I'm folding everything over like so, and then tuck in extra bits that you see that you don't want to show, to neaten it up. And then you can pin it at the back. You can leave it like this. This is kind of how I do my scarf almost. When I do my turban, this is pretty much what I always go for. This is my favorite style right now. I just really like it. And then if you want, what I like to do as well is grab this bit, fold it inside, tuck it in, press it down so it's even, and you are done. So those are the 3 go-to turban styles that I do on my page and everywhere that I like. Whenever I do turbans, this is my go-to turban. I just really like the way it looks. I really like the way everything is. It's just super nice. And yeah, that's that. Probably add some earrings here. As you guys know, I like adding earrings onto my hijabs. But yeah, super easy and simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.